Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursalin Amma ba'd Fa'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to welcome to my viewers in my YouTube channel, and I do request to you that subscribe my YouTube channel if you are serious to learn the Quran with Tajweed verses by verses. And one thing that the whole Quran would be uploaded in this channel. So, and we are going to start the lesson number 4 in this video. The first point is the lesson number 4. Read this lesson Rama. It means without spelling. So the major difference between the lesson number 3 and lesson number 4 is that the lesson number 3 we was learn the lesson number 3 with spelling, just like ta zabarta, ta zeti, ta peshtu. Okay, and this lesson is being read without spelling, just like ta ti to. And especially the purpose of this lesson is to give the awareness and give the concept of harakat. Take special care in pronouncing the harakat correctly. If the letters having zabar, zair, and pesh on it, then these letters are harakat. And the concept of harakat we was learned in previous lesson. The concept is that if the letters having zabar, zair, and pesh are known as harakat letters, so these letters are being read without stretching and suddenly pausing the voice, just like ta, ti, tu. Don't read as, never read as ta, ti, tu, or ta, ti, tu. Just read as ta, ti, tu. Okay. Differentiate clearly between the letters that are karibu south, the letters that some sound somewhat similar. Karibu south mean the letters that sound somewhat similar. Okay, karibu south letters are 16. They are ta, tha. So make a clear difference between these letters. Ta, tha, or za, lal, wa. Tha, sin, squad. Dal, bod. Kaf, qaf. Kaf, qaf. Ha, ha. Hamza, ain. Okay, so let's start this lesson, and you will read with me. Okay, ta, ti, tu. Tha, ti, tu. Za, zi, zu. La, ri, lu. Wa, li, lu. Tha, thi, thu. Okay, the concept of harakat will be in your mind. Okay, sa, si, su. Sqa, sqi, squ. Da, di, do. Da, di, do. Ka, ki, ku. Qa, qi, qu. Ha, hi, hu. Ha, hi, Hu. A, I, U. Ra, Ri, Ru. Kho, Khi, Khu. Gho, Ghi, Gu. Ba, Bi, Bu. Ma, Mi, Mu. Wa, Wi, Wu. Fa, Fi, Fu. La, Li, Lu. Na, Ni, Nu. Ro, Ri, Ru. Ja, Ji, Ju. Sha, Shi, Shu. Ya, Yi, Yu. And I hope that you got it. And if you have any confusion in this lesson, so you may ask, and inshallah I will provide a positive feedback to you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.